Okay, so we're back, and looks like we have an ugly looking system of equation here. So they give us three of them here. Let's see what we got. A plus B minus C is 10. B minus A plus D is 20. C minus D plus B is 30. They're just looking for the value of B. So, looks like a handful here. We'll pause the video, see if we can make any headway. We'll come back and we'll try to solve this one together. Alright, and we're back here. So, have a system of equations here. You know, we learned this in school. You learned in Algebra 1, you learned in Algebra 2, you learned it in pre-calculus. Lots of different methods how to solve this thing. Most kids are going to opt for substitution a lot of the time, which is mathematically it's great, except in a case like this, when we have 4 variables and 3 different equations, right, it's going to get just a tad bit ugly to substitute. Remember, these kinds of test questions are designed to be done in a minute or two, so it should not be overly complicated with crazy computations to try to get to the correct answer. So, what we always want to try to think here, we always want to try to think elimination. And what we're going to try and do is stack all the variables on top of each other, but just put them all in their own column. So sort of like this, I'm going to take the first equation there, and I'm going to put A plus B minus C, and I can see that there are a couple D's lurking around down there. I'm just going to leave a space for the D. That'll make more sense as we proceed, and that's equal to 10. Now I'm going to take my second line, and I see I have a negative A, and I have a positive B. I don't have a C, so I'll leave a space. I have a positive D, and that is equal to 20. And now I'll look at the third line. I don't have any A's. I have a positive B. I have a positive C, and a negative D, and that's equal to 30. And if luck is on our side here, when we look down, we could probably see if we look down the columns, an A and a negative A, if I were to add down, would just cancel out. And a negative C and a positive C would also cancel out. Likewise, the D and the negative D would cancel out. So what do we have left? You know, kids a lot of times will add nicely down here, and they'll get 60. But just be careful. You want to make sure to add down all the columns. So there's 1, 2, 3 B's. That's equal to 60, making B equal to 20.